Canva has different ways to create custom mockups for print-on-demand products. It's not like Placeit, which is a tool only for creating custom mockups for print-on-demand products. You can still find a lot of options in Canva too. If you already pay for Canva Pro, you don't need another service just for creating custom mockups for the product you sell. Go to Canva and on the left menu of the homepage, find Apps, then click Mockups. You can also access this from the design page, but it's easier to search and find what you're looking for here. At the top, you have a few options to start with. I click Apparel to get to clothes mockups. Then click T-shirts. At the top, there's an option to be more specific about the kind of t-shirt you want. For kids t-shirt, click the button. Now you have a long list of kids t-shirt mockups. Find whatever you like. There aren't as many the same as adult t-shirt mockups, but there are some really nice ones here too. Make sure the mockup t-shirt looks similar to the t-shirt you are actually selling on Printify or Printful. Once you confirm this is the design you want to customize, find the image. It could be something you uploaded, or if you created the design in Canva, you can use it directly without downloading and uploading it again. Click on the side to adjust the image to the right position, just like how it appears on the t-shirt in Printify or Printful. After you upload the image, you can change the color of the t-shirt so it won't be white. You can match the color to the variation you have for that product in Printify or Printful. If you use a design from Canva, it won't have a clear background, so it's better to use an uploaded image as a PNG with transparent background, especially if you want to change the shirt to a color other than white. You can get the hex color from Printify by clicking on Details. Then you'll see a list of colors. Hover over each color to get the exact color code. You can also get it differently. Separate the Printify window from your other Chrome tabs and place it next to the window as Canva so you can grab the color easily. Then click on the color option in Canva, use the color picker and select the t-shirt color from Printify. In Printful, you can get the exact t-shirt color by going to the product editor and then clicking on the product icon in the left menu. You'll see a list of colors. Hover over the color you want for the Canva mockup to get the exact color code. Now type the color code into Canva. After that, click Save Design. You get a license to use it one time in the design, which means you need to download it as many times as you want to use it on different platforms. Otherwise, they might catch you. But since it's a mockup and you are not selling the mockup itself, you're safe. It's usually a problem when you are creating design for selling again and again. If you click Use it in a design, you can start creating a promotion for that product on socials, or you can download it. If you download it, you can upload it to your Printful or Printify mockup for that product. After you create the mockup directly from the homepage and open a new design, the mockup becomes just an image in your design. You can change the position of the design on the product or edit the design like you could with a layer mockup. It's uploaded to your upload folder, so you can move, resize, or edit it like any regular image, but you can't adjust the mockup itself. You can also use the mockup tool directly from the Canva editor. Go to the editor, open Apps, and type Mockup. Choose the Mockup app, and you can look for mockups directly from there. When you use the Mockup app in Canva, you can't search for mockups like you do on the homepage, and not all the options you saw in the main search are available. Here's how to create a mockup design in Canva after choosing a mockup image from the app. First, click the mockup image. Then upload your design or use an image you've already uploaded. Unlike creating a mockups directly from the homepage, you can't use Canva designs, only uploaded images. To place your design into a frame in Canva, you need to drag the image over the frame and move it around a bit until it's snapped into place. If you are adding it to a video mockup, it might take a bit longer to process, so just give it a moment. Once your design is uploaded, you have fewer editing options than usual. Clicking Edit lets you adjust the design inside the mockup by resizing or moving it. Smart crop the design for you. You also have the alignment and flip menus like you have in the top panel. If you're customizing clothing mockup, you can change the shirt color. If you're not changing the t-shirt color, the color option will affect the other parts of the frame, like any gaps or background areas around the design. If you want to change the image, click Detach Image, and then you can replace it, or simply drop a different image into the frame. Remember to click Apply Changes for any edits to take effect. The top panel also had option to adjust transparency, but this affects the whole mockup image, not just your design. You can add animations if you were making a video or reposition the mockup on the page. There's also a copy style tool. However, the usual image editing options aren't available for mockups. If you want to make more changes like adding custom background or remove the background, you have to download the mockup first and then re-upload it as an image. To show the difference between the mockup frame and a regular frame, if you add a regular shape like a circle frame and insert an image, you'll see the full editing panel with more options at the top, but you don't see that menu when you use the mockup. The advantage of Canva mockups is they look more realistic, with natural shadows and position under the design, not just flat design in the center. Canva also has a video option for mockups, but they work only with still images. When you add your design to a video mockup, the item in the video, like a shirt or a mug, will move, but the design stays still. It blends into the video so it looks like the product is moving naturally, but the design itself doesn't animate. You can also find more mockups that are not inside the app by going to Elements and finding the Mockup tab. There you can search for what you want to modify. The search tool isn't the best. You might get unrelated options or sometimes nothing at all, but it can still give you more choices than if you open the app. There are other ways to create mockups in Canva, and I will show you it in the next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.